Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
Alright guys, in today's video, we're going to show you how to get access to Logseq DB Alpha in 2025 and explore this new experimental version of Logseq that's been getting a lot of attention. If you're curious about what the future of Logseq might look like, this is something you'll want to check out. Let's begin with the easiest option, trying the demo version in your browser. To do that, simply go to the site logsdbdemo.page/logseqdemo.pages.dev. This version runs directly in your browser and doesn't require any installation. Just keep in mind that it stores your data locally in your browser's cache, so it's a good idea not to rely on it for important work. Also, this is a pre-alpha release, which means features can change at any time, and there's a possibility of bugs or data loss. Next up, if you want to dig deeper and run the Logseq DB Alpha locally on your computer, you'll need to build it from source. To start, head over to GitHub and clone the official Logseq repository. Open a terminal and run git clone ht/github.com/logseq/logseq. After that, go into the clone folder by typing cd logseq. You'll need to have Java and Clojure installed on your system. If you don't have them already, go to clojure.org for their setup guide. Once your environment is ready, follow the build instructions provided in the repo's documentation. This method takes a bit more time, but it gives you a hands-on experience with the cutting-edge version of Logseq DB. Now, if you're on Mac, just be aware that some users have reported issues building it on macOS. Linux tends to be a bit more friendly for this kind of setup. But either way, once you get it running, you'll be able to experiment with the new database engine and see what improvements are coming to Logseq in the future. One more thing, if you want to stay updated on the development or get a chance to participate in testing, check out the Logseq community on Discord or visit their Open Collective page. They often share announcements, behind-the-scenes progress, and sometimes even testing invites. And that's how you can get access to the Logseq DB Alpha in 2025. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment if you have questions, and subscribe for more deep dives like this. Thanks for watching.